In this video, I'm going to show how to remove accounts from the Meta Account Center, okay? This could include Instagram and Facebook accounts, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time. The first thing you need to do is click on the Facebook application. You want to refresh the application just like this, okay? Now, click on your profile picture on the far top right, okay? Now, you'll want to click on the gear icon for the settings, this one right here. Okay, and kindly guys, remember to watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake, okay? And please like this video and drop me a comment or a subscription if you find this video helpful, okay? Now click on the Meta Account Center. Under Meta Account Center, click on See More in Account Center. Then scroll down. You want to look for this place labeled Account. Just click on it. Here you will see the accounts that are in your Meta Account Center. With this place, you can add or remove accounts. Let's say I want to remove this Instagram account connected with my account center. I'll just click on remove. Okay. Then I'll see options here. Are you sure you want to remove Weke Comedian from this account center? There are options here, remove account. Then there are other options of manage how you share content or manage how you log in. Let's say I want to remove it, just click on it. Then here I will see that this account will lose access to all other connected experiences in the Meta account center. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you find this helpful.